Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka ndamane umururuka na marakara ni undu wa audio ino njeru irakorirwo ikirekererio muthenya wa ira ire riu augite arekondirwo ni Karagu na Milayas wake aramirekereria. Response ya Ndama ni anika mitugo ya Karo Kim behind the scene ni yakenererwo muno no mundu wonekana kumiruta mahitia ni Wanja Nyarari uria riu a post gabica gaka nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria acoka andikana auga mutumia uyu pregnant gabica gaka no gwitua aretua gutetera mukurino ucio urio hana goat wife na ciana ciake riria in the beginning ari utharia-ini uyu wa mukurino uyu na side chick wake. Wanja akauga mutumia uyu arageria tu go play both sides niguo go protect brand yake tondu ndarenda kuharuruka na mundurume uyu. Akorwo akiandikana kuga open advice the friend who plays both sides auga be careful with people who stab you then rush to hand you a bandage. Not every defender is genuine. Some friends in quote will betray you in secret then fight loudly in public to cover their tricks. Kwana corona bisha cia Ndama na Karo Kim na Karagu guku online bisha cionanagia Ndama in the beginning ni akoretwo no theru ukegie ndugu ino kana utharia uyu wa Karagu na Karo Kim no ndakorirwo akiaria na riria Triza eyumirire na mathina ma kihiko giake akiumira na brands na gukorwo agisupport Triza na njira nene muno undu nginyagia umuthi wonekanaga no urakairie Wanja wa Nyarari akorwo agithie na mbere na gutenderithia ici akiuga when someone supports your husband's side chick behind closed doors then suddenly quarrels with the same man to win your sympathy, understand one, it is manipulation in disguise. Auga, it is not loyalty, that is performance. Protect your heart. When people play both sides, they bring confusion. Cut them off before their confusion becomes chaos. Miario yakorwo ikiario ni Wanja Nyarari agiteaniria miandiko ino yandikwo ni Ndama akigeria gukorwo akiorota Karagu wa Muraya na kumwira nuo urerehera maundu maya mothe ni undu wa gukorwo akinengera side chick uyu wake power uria uraharagania mucie wake na njira ya kwanika maundu mathiine muno megie Triza ndiwe uretikirania na ndeto-ini ino. Make sure ni ura turn on notification yaku niguo hingo ciothe ugakorwo ri wa mbere gukinyirwo ni video citu tucemanie na next one.